Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at St. Patrick Parish and got to speak to the youth group tonight. Grades 6, 7, and 8. We actually had some 5th grade guests that joined us too. Right here in the social hall, the main focus for tonight's topic here at their parish, their church in White Lake, Charter Township, Michigan. I've been here multiple times in the past getting to share my heart, but this was a pretty much new group. A couple of them had seen me at their local schools, and I'll be coming to a few more in the near future. But the main focus tonight was all about that we're all in for Christ, right? And what that means is that we put all our trust, all our faith into Him, and that we know when times get tough that we can still turn to Him, right? Because it's kind of easy to have that positive attitude, maintain the positivity when everything's great outside, the sun is shining, and figuratively in our lives and our hearts. But when things get really difficult, who do we turn to? Where do we turn to? And hopefully we look within and we have that already deep foundational relationship with our Creator to make sure that He is, imprinted on our hearts, and that we always know that we're never alone, right? That we can always be with Him, turn to Him. And anytime that we feel hopeless, He becomes our hope, right? Our Savior truly does. And that's why I have this shirt for this particular program. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you look down, feel down, are in a dark space, a dark place, depressed, anxiety, low self-esteem, sadness, etc., it's a reminder to keep our head up, right? And always think positive no matter what. And the students really took that to heart tonight, through a series of motivational videos, some positive music, some inspirational, heartfelt anecdotes too, that I was able to share part of my testimony, and some other students and people in general that have reached out to me over the years. But, just again, reiterating that true excellence, it's not always being the best, it's just doing your best. And that's in the eyes of God too, right? He just wants our effort. We have the effort, God has the outcome, right? The opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting. And like it says in Galatians, never give up, right? In 2 Chronicles, it says, be strong, do not give up. That we keep pushing, we keep, trying to attain whatever dream or goal we have, but also in line with God's will, right? That we look to Him for guidance, that He enters us, the more that He does, the more that we're doing for Him to advance His kingdom, and to know that even our Savior needed help carrying His cross. What does it say about us? That we need others, we need Him definitely. And the more that we, again, put our faith into Him, the more that we're going to, have a easier time, getting through things, because we just have this, undying, really never extinguishable thirst to have a deeper connection with Him, and knowing that, we can do all things through Christ, right? And for me, I definitely wasn't at that space when I was a middle schooler. My mind was focused on a lot of other things, but to just see the pin drop moments tonight throughout the audience, and how many head nods and things that they really did get, some conversations afterwards, it's very inspiring to me. These are the young people that are going to pick up our torch, pick up the torch, to really be those powerful, positive Catholics and Christians that go out into this world as followers of Christ and proclaim His word, not sometimes even through our voice and our vocals and what we say, but just through our actions and what we do, how we choose to live, what legacy we want to be remembered for. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Keep using those gifts from God's great variety of spiritual gifts, right? And just remember that we are that light, to not be hidden on a hill or under anything. Let it shine to the world through your hearts. Again, it was a pleasure to see all of you today. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video. Track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one church, one school, one organization at a time. Christ peace.